Hey guys, hi. In this video, I'm going to share with you about judgment. I've made two videos, part one and part two, and this is the final part, the part three of the three-part series on judgment. And I have shared a lot about about it in detail on how it affects us physiologically, what is happening, how it affects us being a conscious creator. So this probably in this video it's I'm going to go straight to the point and give you in short what it is, how it affects us, how it affects conscious creators. So we are all here understanding how to elevate ourselves, how to raise our frequency, and one of the first things we need to address is about judgment. Now, when can you use judgment? The first thing is you can use your judgment to choose the truth for yourself, and that's also known as the discernment. Like, you should use your own discernment and judge for yourself on what belief system works for you, what food you should eat that works for your frequency, what dress, what clothes that you should use, what materials that you should work with, what kind of environment you should be in. That's something that you can choose for yourself, you can judge for yourself. And and this is something that you also do in alignment with your purpose as you raise your frequency, as you are elevating your frequency. Now, when should you not judge is when you are judging others, whether it is about clothes or food or belief systems or values or the I don't know, the car that the people drive or anything, or politics or movies. uh, you know that is when it's no place for you to judge, because what happens when you judge is you're putting your energy into that, and you're giving away your energy, which does not serve you as a conscious creator. If you are here and you are here to manifest your desires and you are here to make it happen, then judgment does not serve you, it does not benefit you, because it is also you're using your energy to energize that situation in your life, that event in your life, that person in your life, and bring more of that into your life. Remember, wherever your energy goes, wherever your thought goes, your focus goes, your energy goes. So the more, if it's something that it's bothering you, you don't want it in your life, then stop thinking about it. Stop thinking about it, stop energizing it, stop talking about it, stop repeating that story everywhere. Because the more we keep repeating, rehashing that situation or that person's story in our mind or in our conversations, we are energizing it more and more and more in our lives. So which we do not want. The whole purpose is for us to get away from that person, of that event or whatever happened, and create a new reality. But if you keep bringing back those stories, if you participate in those conversations, you are energizing that for yourself in your life, so which does not serve you. So judging others, complaining, blaming are all lower vibration. So if you are working towards elevating yourself, elevating your frequency, the first thing that, and it can be even in a spiritual sense. It doesn't matter whether you are spiritual or non-spiritual. It doesn't matter. Whatever. So anytime you judge, first think about why that came into you. What is a part within us that is bringing that judgment out? Because we are all one. Everything we judge is a projection of our own belief system, and it immediately creates a limitation for our own success, our own progress. So we are limiting ourselves with our own judgments, with our own belief systems, because a judgment comes from a belief system, and that belief system is projecting out, that energy is projecting out into your experience, and you attract that event. And the more you think about it, the more you talk about it, you energize this belief system, and so the projections in your life, which it does not serve you. Everything we see is us. When I judge others, I'm judging myself. And yes, this is This is not something that happens overnight. This is not something that, you know what, I'm in a great mood, I'm not going to judge others, I feel elevated. This does not happen overnight. It is a practice. It has to be a habit, a practice that needs to be cultivated. And I work on this every single day. And there are times that, when you are low in energy, when when your battery is not charged enough, you tend to make judgments because that is coming from a lower energy state. And when you are in the lower energy state, that's how we respond, because we go back to our patterns, our automatic patterns of survival, and this is what comes up. But that's when we need to charge ourselves. That's when we need to elevate our energy so that we can take control of our own lives, take the power back into and be a conscious creator. And that's the whole work that I do, is helping women, supporting women to get out of stuckness, to get out of that frustration, get out of the things that they're holding themselves back, and get some clarity and elevate frequency, elevate the energies, and create and manifest the life that they desire. And I do this work every single day, and I'm telling you, I work with women who are very spiritual. I had clients who are massage therapists, yoga teachers, Reiki masters, energy workers, and I'm telling you, even while working with them, the one thing that really, really holds us back is this. Whether you're judging another spiritual practice, whether you're judging another, on ethics or integrity, whatever that is holding us back. Now, as you elevate, the one thing that um, you can, you see many masters having strong opinions and talking about it, but they also have the art of detaching themselves from that opinion, from that energy. And when you can master that, being in detachment, when you can be in the middle path and not get attached to the outcome, not get attached to your experience, then you are at the highest frequency. And at that point, you can really play the role and be a teacher, be a leader, bringing out your opinion, bringing out your message out loud and clear, without without limiting yourself. So that's a whole other art that can, it's again, it needs a whole another video and training on what is that and how to get there. But to start with, to begin with, to elevate ourselves, to become a conscious creator, the one thing that we need is to stop judging others. And please go back and watch my first and second part so that you can get more out of it. And because this is a short video and I just want to give the truth right here, and so that so that we come to a full circle in doing this part. So thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you put that in the comments, and please like and share this video, because the more you give back, that's your energy exchange. The more you give back, this message, this video will be reaching to more people. It will reach to more people. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.